What's up, y'all? Today we're doing 5 simple hairstyles for college. And they're super easy to do, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is actually hairstyle number 1, which is a 2 braids into a ponytail. And I'm gonna show you how to get this look. Okay, now that we have the base, we're gonna start by parting our front 2 sections. Then we're going to ponytail the back. That is just to hold the hair back so we can focus on these 2. So it's like a regular French braid. So you're gonna do 3 strands. Take your first strand, your second strand. But we have 3 strands, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna cross the first one to the side in the middle to create a braid. Okay, now that we have the first 3 sections, we're going to add a piece of hair into the first on your pinky, creating the French braid effect. So we're going to add a section from right here. You're going to take your index finger and put it under and then connect it to this section. And then just braid like normal. And then you're going to repeat that for the back side. So taking a section, your index finger, taking it under, and adding it to the last part. And then taking the last section, you're going to use that as an anchor and incorporate it into this section and twist into it. And then we're going to braid all the way down until it's able to get into the ponytail. Now once you've made it to the end, you're going to secure it with a little rubber band. I like to use mine from Magic, and you can get these at any beauty salon or beauty store, and they're literally like $3 for like more than 1,000. So, and for the sake of the video, I will be using white so that you're able to see it when I'm working. And then we're just going to repeat the same process on this side to this side. Now that we have the 2 French braids done, we're going to take down the back section and then put this all into one ponytail. So we're going to take this back section into a high pony, adding the 2 ponytails. And then if you want to add a little bit of decorations, you can always add a headband or the goat jerseys that you can attach to the braids. Look, number 1. Hairstyle number 2. Hairstyle number 2 is just a continuation of this hairstyle, just adding a bun. So all we're going to do is take your ponytail, twist it 3 times clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Then wrap it around itself. 1, 2, 3. Adding your scrunchie. That's hairstyle number 2. Moving on to hairstyle number 3. Okay, for hairstyle number 3, we're going to take these first 2 pieces of the front, flipping these away. Now we're going to take these front pieces right here and repeating that over, ponytailing the rest of it. We're going to connect these 2, pushing them back. All we're going to do is tie them. We're going to take down this section and then removing the bun. putting on the headband, flipping it over and under. So over, under. And for the top section, which we clipped, unclip it, and we're gonna braid these two. If you don't know how to 3-strand braid, it's super simple. It's cross over the middle section and to the left, and then keep braiding it. And you're just gonna repeat this braid to this section of hair. And I will come back and do the ends. Okay, now that we're at the ends of the hair, we're gonna be adding water to the mixture. And this helps with curl definition and defining the ends since they are frizzy. So we're just going to roll it up. And then you should have a little ball around your finger. And you're just going to unwind it. That. Beautiful curls. See how pretty that is? And then we're just going to repeat it to the side. And same thing on this side. You're going to twist it up, finger coiling it. And then it should be in a little ball, like that. And then just unwind it. And voila! Curls! Hairstyle number 3. Hairstyle number 4. Okay, for hairstyle number 4, we're going to be using the purple scrunchie. It can really be any color, but I just chose purple. We're going to do a half up, half down bun. I love buns. They're like the easiest hairstyle to do. We're just going to take from the center, from the ear to the center, and from the ear to the center. Now that we have our half up, half down hairstyle, we're going to literally bun this. So you're going to take this, and if you have to, use an elastic to hold it and then bun it. But we're just going to take this part and twist it counterclockwise. You can however many times you need. 1, 2, 3, bun. Scrunchie. Trying to mess around with it, make it lazy or cute, however you feel. If you want, you can take out the little front pieces and curl them. You can have your front pieces like that and like that. That is hairstyle number 4. On to hairstyle number 5. Alright, for hairstyle number 5, it's just regular, letting your curls out and loose, especially if you're on the go and you don't have that much time to do a hairstyle. Looks like your curls be, and it's still cute. Anyway, I just left my hair for day 5, which is Friday. This was the end result for my latest wash and go. And also, I just used some bobby pins to pin it up right here so that it doesn't get in the face when I'm doing my homework. But anyway, if you guys like this video and learned a new hairstyle or that you're going to try, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another 3B3C curly hairstyle video or any more content from me in curly hair and fashion. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.